Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to inflate the large super shaped balloons. Today I'm using Spiderman, but don't worry, these principles apply to any of the large super shapes. My first tip is to open the packet using your fingers. Don't use scissors, because if you use scissors, it is very easy to accidentally just go along one of the seams with your scissors and to accidentally cut the balloon. So I always open the packet by hand and then just open out the balloon. And the thing about these large super shapes, they tend to be quite complicated designs, but what you have are separate chambers. So it looks like one balloon, but actually you've got separate chambers within the balloon. And if you're not used to using these super shapes, if you've not inflated them before, they can be tricky. First of all, find the valve. So it tends to be on a long tab like this, and you're looking for this circular disc. So this is where we inflate, this is what we call the valve, and this is where we put the air or the helium into the balloon. Today I'm using air, and I'm going to be using a hand pump. So just take your pump and put it into the valve, okay? And you'll see that it slides in really easily, and now we can start to inflate. But this just takes a couple of minutes, so just keep going. Okay, I'm going to stop there and show you what's happening. Okay, so you'll see that the main part of the balloon is inflating, but we've got these little sections off to the side, and if you look very closely, you will see a little line down the side here, and that denotes a separate chamber for the balloon. So there is a little valve inside that goes from this section to here, and the air, it transfers from this side to this side. Sometimes you need to give a little bit of help to allow the air to transfer, but you just need to be very careful and ensure that this part of the balloon doesn't overinflate whilst these are underinflated. So we need to inflate a little bit more, so I shall carry on and then show you the next step. So some of the separate chambers have started to inflate. We're still not quite fully inflated here. This one needs a little more help. So what I'm going to do is just press gently onto the main body of the balloon, and that's just going to transfer some air into this section here. And if you need to, if you're finding that it's your balloon is a little bit difficult and it's not inflating, you may just need to pull the small section slightly as you press onto the balloon, okay? And we just need to inflate this a little bit more. To be sure that your balloon is fully inflated, just walk your fingers along the edge of the seam and the balloon should ping back into shape. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. I publish videos every week.